Hi, I'm Greg Lewis. I'm the product manager for Ashcroft with Relevant Industrial. Tired of replacing gauges every few months? Let me show you something better. This is the Ashcroft Performance Plus, and it's built to last. This gauge is engineered to handle exactly what kills most gauges: pressure spikes, pump vibration, and harsh environments. What makes it special? It's Ashcroft's Performance Plus dampening system, built-in shock absorber for pressure. You get all the stability of a liquid-filled gauge without the fill, without the mess, and without fogging up the lens. No leaks, no clouding, no maintenance. It just works day after day. Real-world benefits. If you're running pumps, compressors, or anything that vibrates, this gauge will last 10 times longer than standard ones. It holds calibrations. It's readable, it doesn't fall apart, save time and money. Yes, it costs a little more up front, but if you're replacing every 3 to 6 months, Performance Plus pays for itself. Fewer replacements, less downtime, more uptime. This isn't just a pressure gauge, it's a long-term solution. Install it once, trust it longer, focus on the job, not the tools. Ask us about sizing, thread types, or OEM options, and we'll get you set up with the right fit. Check us out at relevantsolutions.com or our e-commerce site at shoprelevant.com.